Namaste children. Today we are going to learn addition of 6. How to add 6 on the ones rod. Suppose this is 13 and you have to add 6. You have the bits. You will add 6 here. But if this is 14 and you have to add 6 here at the ones rod. You don't have that. So use the formula and recall the friend of 6. So friend of 6 is 4 because 6 and 4 combine to make 10. So let's 4 add 10. See 14, I added 6. So this is 20 now. So by subtracting, by using the right hand, you have to subtract you have to less the friend first, then add by using the left hand. Okay. So first of all, we'll do practice of formula. So formula, recall this. Add 6 is less 4 add 10. Less 4 add 10. So let's set the abacus to practice the formula first. So always we set ones tens so as we can do practice. So assume that these are ones tens. Now add 6 is less 4 add 10. 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 Like this, okay? So you have to alert to maintain your speed also, okay? So let's do practice. First question, 5, 2. Again 2. Now add 6. So less 4 add 10. 15. Next question, 13, 6. See, you have 6 here. So no need to use the formula. Always be alert. Check here at the ones rod. If you have the bits, utilize that. 6 we added. Now that again 6 you don't have. Now you have to use the formula. So less 4 add 10. Less 4. So add 1 less 5. So this is 21. 14. 6. So less 4 add 10. Again 6. You have here 6 in your hand. Use that. 9. So 9 friend of 9 is 1. So less 1 add 10. So this is 35. Next one, 19, 6. So let's 4 add 10. 3. Now 7. See, remember you have done the last class. Friend of 7 is 3. So let's 3 add 10. So this is 35. Next question, 6. So let's 4 add 10. 5. Less 4. You have to push away 4. So add 1 less 5. So this is 21. Okay. I hope you are very clear in this. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will explain you again. And if any doubt, you have to do practice. So don't miss out the practice. Keep on practicing. And we'll meet in the next class with a new lesson. Bye-bye. See you.